Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, can you believe it? First ever BOXYCHARM. Yay! So this is just the unboxing portion because I actually don't know what's coming. Like where Ipsy, I see the spoilers. Like I have it all on my app, whatever. This still sealed. Don't know what the hell's in it. It's totally different. So there will be a try-on portion after this. It'll be filmed like on a different day, but I just could not wait. I need to see what the hell is in this thing. So the box like is completely beat the fuck up though. The journey from like Georgia to New York apparently was really brutal. A Mother Nature. Yes, I wanted these. Oh my god. Okay, so this AM Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. Maybe I'll use these later tonight. These Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous. Designed for all skin types, including sensitive and dry skin. Retailing for $17. That's freaking awesome. Like, cause you can see like what you may get or whatever, and I was like, ooh, I want this. So awesome. Grim. Some IPA. Two things that I wanted. This is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. A creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin's biome. Honestly, I may use I might actually do both of those tonight, maybe. Okay, I'm not sure. Ooh, what? Okay, so there's actually 4, 5, 6. I think I got a bonus product because I'm not finding information on this. But this is by Avant. I've never heard of this. Shea Butter, Hyaluronic Vitamin B, Seawater Sweet Almond, Age Nutra Revive, Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid, Vivifying? Is that a word? Face and Eye Night Cream. So this is not, okay, this sounds amazing, but I'm gonna give this to Jennifer. Spoiler. I don't have a description on it. It's an extra product. She could benefit from this, and this is exactly why I'm doing some extra stuff. So this is actually going to go to Jennifer. Ooh, what the fuck is this? Gerard Cosmetics Lip Pencil. So the MSRP on the Glam Glow, this is $49. Holy fuck. Please send me the moisturizer. I want the moisturizer. Okay, so this lip liner, hello. The lip liner of your dreams, creamy and pigmented yet long lasting to help complement any lip look. Retails for $16. This is in the shade, I believe, Immortal, which is a very red shade. I'm not gonna swatch that. I might see if anyone wants this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try this or not. Oh my god, another thing that I wanted. Dude, that's three. There's 3 things that I want. This way I don't actually feel bad for like passing on a surprise product. This is the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. Super cute. Oh my god, and I kind of need a new primer anyway. Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer is a blendable, lightweight skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long-wearing. Infused with mineral-rich clay to absorb excess oil, it will deliver a crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. I really want to give this a test. Or throw it on the floor, that's fine. I'm really fucking excited for that. Not gonna lie. Easy to wear eyeshadow palette. Blah. Studio Makeup Easy to Wear Eyeshadow Palette displays a versatile color scheme complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless natural and glam looks. It's a little dirty. Like, I definitely like this palette though. Like, this is very interesting. The only new, like, I don't think I have shades that are like these two technically, but I'm just gonna, honestly, I think it was just dust. I don't think it's contaminated. I think I'm being a drama queen. I think Jennifer would like that, so I'm actually going to pass this along as well. I have so many eyeshadow palettes, guys, and I'm really not in the market for anything like this, and I know this is nude. It's right up her alley. I think she could get a lot of use out of this. I am going to clean this up though, just to make myself feel better. None of the pans look like they've been dug into. I honestly think it was just like the travel or something, because there was not, a lot of times when you get a new palette, there's like a protector over it. This did not have that protector. There's only the protector over the mirror. So yeah, she's gonna be gaining 2 new products. I have some skincare stuff, and honestly, what I'm gonna do, I didn't think this was gonna happen, but this will be in a first impressions get ready with me, since I'm literally just doing a couple skincare things. I think that's okay. So I will insert the footage of the skincare right here. Alright, y'all, here we go. Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. It says, removes even waterproof mascara. Ooh, it smells good. Oh yeah, this is like the best smelling makeup wipe I've ever used. Wow. Alright, moment of truth, eye makeup. It does remove quite a bit of mascara. My eye makeup honestly was not as heavy as it could have been. It was a basic everyday kind of a thing. It wasn't like a full, I mean, it was still a pretty full look, but it wasn't like an extravagant like layers of eyeshadow kind of a thing. Slight burning sensation. Not super fond of that. It almost burns like those Neutrogena ones. Well, I guess I would say the Walmart dupe for that. Maybe that's how it gets all the mascara off, because then you gotta squint and then it makes it leak off more. That's the secret. Science. I do have like this weird feeling like right here. They look extra puffy. I'm not allergic to these anyway. I don't think I'm allergic to anything. They burn. I just had to freaking blow my nose. There's like, my eyes are burning. There's like this weird feeling like right here. My eyes are kind of puffed up, but then again I was just kissing the cat, so I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna cleanse, and I'll be right back for the Glam Glow. Alright, time for this mask. Take some shit out of the lid. I like to get the excess product out of there, you know? Wow, this is like really jiggly. So you're supposed to leave this on for 10 minutes and then rinse off. I wonder if this is one that I can do like in the shower too. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out like where to keep it. Kind of smells like a weird cocktail or something. Anyway, so I will be back in 10 minutes to kind of give a final thoughts or whatever. So we're just about 10 minutes in. A lot of the mask is kind of absorbed up into my skin. There's like these weird little, I assume they're like chunks of berry that's in there. Can you see that? Isn't that weird? I shouldn't talk when I'm moving the camera. Isn't that weird? It feels nice. Ooh. Yo, I might have a new favorite mask. I don't know if you can see Tim in the background, but he is playing with grips. Alrighty. Yeah, so that's basically it. Over and out. Alright, cool. So there's that. I didn't think this video was gonna be like this, but here we are. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am definitely excited for more Boxy in my future. There's definitely, you know, it's definitely worth the price for sure, and then some. Like I said before, stay tuned to see this in a first impressions get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until the next one.